Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard second semester 1 book. Okay, page number 10. The revision is going on. Lesson number 2, holidays at grandparents' house. Holidays at grandparents' house. It was the month of May. It was the month of May. All schools had closed for summer holidays. All schools were closed for summer holidays. Sunil and Sana was very happy. So it was the month of May. It was the month of May. All schools were closed for summer holidays. And Sunil and Sana were very happy. Why they were happy? Because their parents had planned to take them to their grandparents' house at Mangalore. Grandparents' house at Mangalore. They wanted to go to Mangalore where their grandparents are staying. They travelled by a train from Bangalore to Mangalore. Then they hired a rickshaw and reached their grandparents' house. They travelled by a train. They travelled by a train from Mangalore to Bangalore to Mangalore. Okay. Then they hired a rickshaw and reached their grandparents' house. Okay, they reached there. It was small cottage with a beautiful garden. It was a small cottage here. Small cottage with a beautiful garden. You can see the garden. They saw grandpa and grandma waiting near the garden gate here. This is grandma, this is grandpa. Ajji, Ajoba. Garden, waiting near the garden gate. The children jumped and ran. They hugged their grandparents. They were thrilled to see the beautiful garden. They were happy to see the beautiful garden. They saw bees and butterflies hovering on the flowers. They saw bees, butterflies moving on the flowers. They ran after them. Grandma told the children not to harm the flower fairies. They watched them in amazement, happy. They watched them happily, you can say. There were many colorful flowers. There were big yellow sunflowers. There were very big yellow sunflowers. There were a big mango tree in the corner of the garden. There were mangoes on the tree. Some were yellow and ripe. Some were ripe. Some were green and raw. A few birds had built their nest on the mango tree. So there were big mango trees. Some mangoes were ripe and yellow, some raw, they were green and raw, they were kacha, some were pakas. The children saw baby birds in the nest being fed by their mothers. Baby birds were there in the nest. There was a small pond in the center of the garden. There was a small pond in the center of the garden. There were white and pink lilies floating in the pond. There was a small pond in the center of the garden. There were big white and pink lilies floating in the pond. They also saw colorful fish in the pond. They saw, what did they see? Yes, colorful fish. Yes or no? Sunil and Sana had a great time playing in the garden and watching birds and bees. Sunil and Sana spent their great time in the garden. Yes. Where they used to spend the time? More time Sunil and Sana in the garden watching birds and bees. They spent time with their grandma and grandpa. They spent their time with grandma and grandpa. With whom did they spend their time? With grandma and grandpa. Grandma told them stories and grandpa showed them different places. Grandma was telling them stories and grandpa, what did he do? He showed them different places. They spent their summer holidays with their grandparents in the lap of nature. They spent their summer holidays. Okay? Yes. Now come to the question answers. Oral work. When did your last summer vacation begin? When did your last summer vacation begin? Where did you go during the summer vacation? Did you take up any hobby during the vacation? With whom did you spend your vacation? Did you read storybooks? Name them. Did you read storybooks? Name them. Now exercise. Correct the correct statement and wrong the wrong ones. Sunil and Sana went to Mangalore. Correct. The children travelled by a bus. By bus? No, it's wrong. The grandparents waited inside the house. Wrong. The children caught butterflies. Wrong. There were lotus flower in the pond. Lotus were there? No, this is also wrong. Now answer the following questions in one sentence each. When did Sana and Sunil go to Mangalore? Sana and Sunil went to Mangalore in the month of May during the summer vacation. Okay. B1. How did they go to Mangalore? They travelled by train from Bangalore to Mangaluru. How did they go to Mangalore? How did they go to Mangalore? They travelled by train from Bangalore to Mangalore. What did grandma tell the children? How did grandma tell the what did grandma tell the children? Grandma told the children not to harm the flower fairies. What did grandma tell the children? Grandma told the children not to harm the flower fairies. What did the children see on the big mango tree? The children saw green and yellow mangoes, some nests on the big mango tree. What did they see in the nests? They saw baby birds in the nests being fed by their mothers. By their mothers. What did they see in the pond? They saw white and pink lilies floating in the pond. They saw white and pink lilies floating in the pond. Floating in the pond. Yes. Now, third one. Describe grandmother's garden in 4 sentences. Describe grandmother's garden in 4 sentences. Yes. Answer. Grandma's garden was beautiful. Grandma's garden was beautiful. There were colorful flowers in the garden. There was a small pond with white and pink lilies. There was a big mango tree with some yellow ripe mangoes and some green raw mangoes. Some green raw mangoes. Now, question number 4. Name the following. People who went to Mangalore. Mangalore. People who went to Mangalore. Sunil, Sana, father, mother. Father, mother. People who stayed in Mangalore. People who stayed in Mangalore. That was grandmother, grandfather. Grandmother, grandfather. Flowers found in the garden. Sunflower, roses, lilies. Sunflower, roses, lilies. Grammar activity development. Grammar activity development. Read the following words aloud. Learn their spellings. C-O-N-E, cone. B-O-N-E, bone. Cone, bone. G-A-T-E, gate, late. G-A-T-E, gate. L-A-T-E, late. C-A-V-E, cave. W-A-V-E, wave. Cave, wave. Line, L-I-N-E, M-I-N-E, mine. Line, mine. Wire, W-I-R-E, wire. T-I-R-E, tire. Wire, tire. T-I-M-E, time. D-I-M-E, dime. Time, dime. Right, second one. Write 5 words that ends with Y. Happy ends with Y. Happy, by, they, my, baby. That begins with T-R. Begins with, means begin. T-R. Traveled, train, tree, treat, trace. C1. That ends with CH. Ends. Samapta, that is end. E-A-C-H. Each. R-I-C-H. Rich. Rich. R-E-A-C-H. Rich. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. And this is M-A-T-C-H. Match. That begins with S-H. Begin. S-H-O-W. Show. S-H-O-W. Show. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-A-R-E. Share. S-H-A-L-L. Shell. S-H-O-R-T. Short. That begins with C-H. Begin. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. C-H-A-R-T. Chart. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. C-H-A-A-T. Chart. C-H-A-A-T. Chart. C-H-A-R-M. Chart. C-H-A-R-M. Chart. Now, writing skill. Write 5 things you like to do with your parents. Speaking skill. Tell your teacher how you spend your last summer vacation. How you spend your last summer vacation. Activity grammar. Nouns, common and proper. Nouns, common and proper. Say it aloud. Everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are nouns. A noun names a person, place, animals or things, they are called common nouns. They are called common nouns. The special name of a noun is called a proper noun. The special name of a noun is called a proper noun. Example, Sunil is a boy. Sunil is a boy. Proper noun, common noun. Special name of a boy. Special name of a boy, that is Sunil. This is proper noun. And common noun is name of a person. Common noun is person, that is boy. Sunil is a boy. Sunil is a proper noun and boy is a common noun. Bangalore is a big city. Bangalore is a big city. Proper noun. It is a Bangalore. Bangalore is a big city. Bangalore is a proper noun and place city is a common noun. Is a common noun. Now, first one, read each word. Read each word. Each word is a common noun. Write the names under the headings in the chart below. See here, these are the given words. Baskets, sailor, school, fish, garden, camel, board, doctor, fisherman, market, chair, elephant, desert, lady, fox, table, hospital, sofa, student and crow. People, animal, places, things. You have to write people, animal, places and things. People, sailor, doctor, fisherman, lady, student, animal, fish, camel, elephant, fox, crow. Fox, crow, places. School, garden, market, desert, hospital. Things, basket, board, chair, table, sofa. Table, sofa. Remember, all proper nouns begins with the capital letters. Remember, all proper nouns begins with the capital letter. Observe the pictures. Observe the pictures. Read the sentences. Pick out the common and proper nouns. Write in the given space. Write in the given space. This is a cat. Its name is Tom. Cat is a common noun and Tom is a proper noun. Proper noun. Now, she is a teacher. She is Mrs. Mehta. So, common noun is teacher and proper noun is Mehta. Mrs. Mehta. Neela and Montu go to Orchid School. Orchid School. School is common noun and Neeta, Montu, Orchid is a proper noun. Yes. Minal had named her pet Casper. Casper. See here. This is common noun is pet and Minal and Casper is proper noun. Proper noun. Each sentence has two proper nouns. One has been underlined. Circle the other. See, Rajan went to Ooty during the vacation. Rajan is underlined and this one you have to circle Ooty. The Pandit family lives near Belgaum. The Pandit family lives near Belgaum. Belgaum they have underlined and Pandit you have to circle. You have to circle. Tina goes to the temple every Tuesday. Tina already marked here. underlined, and Tuesday you have to circle. Aarti had Amol ice cream. Aarti underlined already. Amol you have to circle. Then the Red Fort is in Delhi. Delhi they have underlined. The Red Fort is, you have to circle the Red Fort. Now challenge. Now challenge. Challenge is what? Read the sentences and spot the errors. Correct the errors and rewrite the sentences. Read the sentences and spot the errors. Correct the errors and rewrite the sentences. Radha lives in Bangalore. Radha lives in Bangalore. Where will you go in May? My mother's name is Reshma. Sunil, Ronit and Payal went to the park on Sunday. Yes, see here. Radha lives in Bangalore. Radha lives in Bangalore. B is capital. Second one. Where will you go on in May? Where will you go on in May? Where will you go on in May? Where will you go in May? Where will you go in May? M is capital over here. Give the question mark. My mother's name is Reshma. My mother's name is Reshma. R is capital. Sunil, Rohit and Payal went to the park on Sunday. Sunil is capital, Rohit is capital and Payal went to the park on Sunday. Went to the park on Sunday. Okay. Have you understood, children? So, the homework will be read the lesson, read and write from page number 10 to 14, 1 time. Yes, the homework is read the lesson, read and write from page number 10 to 14 one time. Okay children, with this we will meet in the next video. Thank you.